there, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Priyanka and today I'm going to show you one very easy, effective method to take care of your hair. It needs only 2 ingredients and it is very effective for hair fall, hair regrowth as well as shine for your hair, and I think that is all we need. Our first hero ingredient is the castor oil, but try to use cold pressed castor oil because it tends to be gentler on your hair. Now let's look at how to apply this oil. First of all, this is a very thick oil, so applying directly into your scalp might be a bit hard for you. For this, we have our second hero ingredient, which is the onion juice, which many of you may have heard is very effective for hair regrowth, hair shine, etc. So this is the quantity, you can see little bit I have taken to dilute my castor oil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix these two. So again, you need to take some drops of it, maybe 4, 5, 6, 7 depending on your hair length, and just be careful with this thick castor oil because it can stain your pillows. All those people who have greasy or oily scalp and like just the next day after hair wash, that you should use castor oil, and you'll see even on the third day the hair would be something like this. There will be volume in your hair. If you don't like the smell of onion juice, you can use it with coconut oil or any other oil, or you can also apply it directly. It's completely fine. It's just thick, so the application becomes easier if you dilute it, but if you want to apply it directly, that's also fine. Today I'm using it with the onion juice and I want to show you guys the result also after hair wash, which I will show you, but let me just apply it first into my scalp. So here I do the partition and apply it in the circular motion. I leave it for 20-30 minutes after applying. That's completely up to you. Whatever time you have, even 5-10 minutes is fine. 20-30-40 minutes is also fine. So just make the use of time whatever you have and apply it like 2 times in a week, and generally you should see a good hair growth and less hair fall. The castor oil is thick, so you may have to wash your hair 2 times after applying. So first time you use some shampoo, lather it, clean your scalp, and for the second time you just take very small quantity and wash your hair. I'll leave it for 20 minutes and after hair wash I'll meet you guys again, so stay tuned. This is completely wet hair, and let me just show you. If I run down my fingers, it is so smoothly gliding through. I didn't put any conditioner, just to show you that you may not need conditioner also after this. In a nutshell, I just want to say that this is a quick and easy method to take care of your hair, which you can easily follow in a week. It adds shine to your hair, which we expect after hair wash. It reduces your hair fall and it helps in the hair regrowth. So what else do we need? I definitely suggest you to try it on because it's completely natural and it's very quick and easy, and see the results yourself on your own hair, and then you can leave the comments it works for you in a similar way. So yeah, that's it guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos on skincare, hair care, lifestyle, makeup, etc, etc, and leave the comments, hit the like button, and I hope to see you soon guys. Thank you. Bye bye.